So, scoreboard, the count plays a factor. Where the runners are on base plays a factor. The type of base runner plays a factor. Type of guy on the mound, delivery to the plate, times plays a factor. Mental fortitude, how strong his mind is, plays a factor. That will lead right into his command. Plays a factor. 50 cents on the mound, might need to be in a blocking stance. His pitch package plays a factor. Is it a sharp slider? How much bite does it have? Where are the misfires? What's the horizontal break? That's where the metrics come into a big play into this whole thing. If we understand the metrics, if we understand how his slider works from an action standpoint, that's going to be a role and a big major influence in our decision-making process of what stance we get into. But ultimately, it all leads back to that. We have to learn how to block and throw from our most optimal receiving stance, and that's what it is.